I dropped something down the dryer vent while cleaning it out. How do I open it up to remove the object? Thank you.
Hello from our service, my name is Chaz. I am so happy to help you today. Before we get started, I would like to help us get on the same page so that our interaction will go smoothly. I might give you an answer immediately, or ask you a question. Either way, we are likely to be in a question and answer format, so you will need to click Reply to Expert if A. You want to add detail. B. Your question was not fully answered. C. You want to ask further questions. Since I am inviting you back to do any of these, do not use a 1 or 2 rating, or this will likely not help you get a satisfactory answer. It will delay our task, and it tends to be depressing for the expert trying to help you, often right at the beginning of the exchange, before we have accomplished our task. I know the rating system is somewhat complicated, but you do not have to do a negative rating in order not to pay or to get your deposit back. In addition, a negative rating only serves to rate the expert doing his/her utmost to help you. The expert also will not get paid under these circumstances. Negative ratings do not cover site problems, delays, or anything else on the site that might annoy you, as experts are only involved in trying to answer your questions. Negative ratings do not cover posts that do not come through, or any other difficulties. Experts face those just as you do. This includes frustrations that you might have had before meeting your expert. I would like to say that we are also on the honor system. I in good faith am going to do my utmost to ensure your satisfaction. But, it is up to your honor to click a smiley face and make sure that I am compensated for my time and effort. Please realize we are only compensated per smiley per click and from bonuses, so extensive time with you would hopefully stimulate your consideration of this aspect of the system. Can I get the complete model number, please?
MED-C5 UVWO.
Here is a video on how to replace the blower wheel on the unit. This will get you to where the object dropped to. It is the easiest way to do it. If there is anything else I can help you with today, just let me know. You can continue asking questions for as long as you like, even after you rate me. Click the Continue Conversation link if you would like to continue this conversation. If you are done and rate a 1 or 2 star, please consider using the Continue Conversation link and telling me what more I can do or what more you would have liked that was within my power, so that I possibly give you that information or help me improve my customer satisfaction rating. Bonuses are welcome if I have helped you a lot, however they are not mandatory.
Is it possible that I can remove only the back part and the object will be in the lint thing? Sorry.
Melanie, I believe you are going to have to take it apart to get to the item. I am not there to see it, but everything that falls down the lint trap area goes to the blower unit. That is why I sent the video I sent. It is the easiest way to do it. Only need simple tools also.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.